Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're delving into QuickBooks Online and exploring how to add Contractor to your financial system. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or a bookkeeper, understanding this process is crucial for seamless contractor management and accurate expense tracking. So let's get started. Before we dive into the how-to, let's first understand why proper contractor setup matters. By adding contractors correctly in QuickBooks Online, you ensure accurate expense tracking, 1099 reporting, and compliance with tax regulations. This foundational step sets the stage for streamlined contractor management. To begin, let's log into your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to the Contractors section. From Main menu, select Expenses and then Contractors. Here you will find a range of features and settings related to contractor management. Now, let's dive into the process of adding a contractor to QuickBooks Online. Click on Add a Contractor button. Now enter the initial details. And click Add Contractor. We can add personal details of contractor from here. Choose the type of contractor. Adding a contractor also involves entering payment-related information. We will explore fields such as contractor's payment terms, payment methods, and billing rate. QuickBooks Online provides flexibility to handle different payment structures, including hourly rates, project-based fees, or retainer agreements. Click on Create Expense to record an expense. You can also create a bill from here. Enter the details of the bill. To write a check to your contractor, click here. Before finalizing the contractor setup, it's crucial to review and verify entered information. Adding a contractor in QuickBooks Online sets the stage for streamlined contractor management. And there you have it. You've successfully added a contractor to your QuickBooks Online. By properly setting up contractors, you ensure accurate expense tracking, tax reporting, and compliance with regulations. Remember, a solid foundation in contractor management leads to streamlined financial processes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more business tips and tricks. As always, thank you for watching.